Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear world of pool maintenance with our countdown of the 3 best pool vacuums on the market. Whether you have an above-ground oasis or a luxurious in-ground retreat, we've got the perfect vacuum to keep your pool spotless. Number 3. Iper Scuba E1. The Iper Scuba E1 is a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify pool maintenance. Its professional-grade bottom brush ensures a thorough cleaning of pool floors, effectively capturing debris and optimizing water filtration. The advanced filtration system is a game-changer, featuring a high-capacity 3.6L filter basket that can trap particles as small as 3 micrometers, making it highly efficient. With powerful dual motors, the E1 navigates effortlessly across surfaces, providing exceptional cleaning performance. Its impressive battery life allows for up to 130 minutes of operation after just a 2-hour charge, making it suitable for above-ground pools up to 1,100 square feet. Lightweight and user-friendly, the E1 is easy to lift and clean. The intuitive design, including a top cover for quick filter access and self-parking technology, enhances the overall user experience. For anyone seeking an efficient and hassle-free pool cleaning solution, the Iper Scuba E1 is an excellent investment. Number 2. Zodiac MX6. The Zodiac MX6 is a standout choice for pool cleaning, boasting best-in-class vacuum power with its cyclonic turbine, which ensures exceptional suction and efficient wall climbing. Its compact design makes it ideal for both in-ground and above-ground pools, safely navigating surfaces like concrete, vinyl, fiberglass, and tile. One of the MX6 key features is its low-flow design, which optimizes energy consumption, making it an excellent option for pools equipped with 2-speed or variable speed pumps. The X-Drive navigation system enhances its cleaning efficiency, allowing it to cover floors, walls, and the waterline thoroughly. Included with the MX6 are a flow regulator valve and 32 feet of twist-lock hose, ensuring easy setup and operation. Overall, the Zodiac MX6 is a reliable, powerful cleaner that delivers outstanding performance for a variety of pool types. Number 1. Iper Scuba S1. The Iper Scuba S1 is a game-changer in pool maintenance, delivering excellent cleaning performance with its powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities. This robotic vacuum effectively cleans not just the floor, but also the walls and waterline of your pool, ensuring crystal clear water. Its generously sized filter basket captures both large debris and fine particles, making it perfect for achieving a pristine pool experience. One standout feature is the upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0, which optimizes cleaning routes for efficient coverage. This intelligent navigation minimizes overlap and reduces cleaning time, allowing the Scuba S1 to clean your pool thoroughly without wasting energy. The durable caterpillar treads enhance mobility, effortlessly navigating drains, steps, and uneven terrain, while providing stability and preventing slipping. This ensures that every nook and cranny of your pool is covered. With 4 cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you can tailor the cleaning process to your needs. The eco mode is particularly convenient, offering hassle-free cleaning every 48 hours for a week. Plus, with a 2-year product protection guarantee, the Iper Scuba S1 gives you peace of mind, making it a worthy investment for effortless pool maintenance. If you're looking for an effective and reliable pool cleaner, the Scuba S1 is a top choice. Thanks for watching our countdown of the 3 best pool vacuums. We hope you found the perfect one to keep your pool sparkling clean. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more pool tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below.